How to send snap from camera roll as a normal snap without filter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap but without using a filter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the problem here is quite simple. If you open up Snapchat here, right, then I'll just go to a certain chat. Then let's say I want to send someone anything in this case, right? So I'll select that person. If I want to send them a picture from my gallery and then I tap on this option and send a certain picture, that picture will actually get sent as a chat and not as a snap. So you can see it is getting sent as a chat. So if I want to send it as a snap, the only way I can do that is by using a filter, and there is simply no other way. Only way you can do this is by simply going to snap icon here, then simply searching for this little search button from the bottom right, then in the search bar typing upload, because it will show you all of the upload filter, right? So here you can see upload snap, video upload, upload video. You can just use any one of your choice. Then you can select media upload, then simply go ahead and then select a certain picture that you want to send as a snap. Then just take a picture like this and then hit the send option in order to send them. Remember, this is the only way. You can't do it without using a filter, because if you don't use a filter, it will get sent as a normal snap. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.